Hello everyone, today I will talk about cheesecake made with 3D printer. For dessert after that rabo-groven meat, how about a 3D printed cake? Engineers at the Columbia University has made this 7 ingredients vegan cheesecake assembled and cooked entirely by a printing machine. The technology has used to make other food before, but in a new innovation, lasers were used to bake the dessert as it prints. The team behind the project says one slice took about 30 minutes to produce. Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.